In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wix Studio on PC. The good news is that Wix Studio works directly through your web browser, so you do not need to download a traditional desktop program to start using it. As long as you're on a PC with internet access, you can open Wix Studio and access your workspace in just a few moments. To begin, open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other web browser you prefer on your computer. Once your browser is open, go to the Wix Studio homepage. This is where you can begin creating or sign in to an existing account, depending on what you need. When the homepage loads, click on Start Creating if you're setting things up for the first time, or click Login if you already have an account. Then enter your credentials to access your workspace. After signing in, you will be taken into Wix Studio, where you can manage your projects and continue working from your PC, just like you would on any modern web platform. If you want to use Wix Studio in a cleaner, more distraction-free way, there is also a useful option in Google Chrome that lets you save the website as a standalone app. This is especially helpful if you want Wix Studio to feel more like a regular desktop application, without the usual browser tabs and extra clutter at the top. To do that, open Chrome and navigate to your Wix Studio dashboard or workspace. Once you're on the page, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. From there, go to Save and Share, and then choose Install Page as App. A small setup window will appear, allowing you to name the app. You can keep the name as Wix Studio or choose something similar that helps you recognize it easily. Then click Install. After that, Chrome will create a shortcut on your desktop automatically. This means you can launch Wix Studio directly from your desktop, and it will open in its own separate window, giving you a more focused and app-like experience on your PC. It's a simple way to make access faster and keep your workflow organized. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.